This portion is eastern part of where we are standing. The same elevation 230 meters below above sea level. See, based on the elevation given by cell phone. So this area, the rice paddies is still green, is still bearing fruits. So you can see how beauty it is, how nicely did their masterpiece in making rice paddies. So the labeling works. Yes, still green. From the northern side, you can see the rice paddy is going down, look like an arrow. See, this side look like an arrow. Nice to see, still green. The rice is in blooming. Other parts are bearing fruits already. Other parts is still growing. This may be got already a fertilizer for their good recovery, good production. So maybe some more 1 month before it will be harvested. So if you are willing to come and visit this place, you can come at Kadapdapan, Barangay Kadapdapan, Municipality of Kandihay, at Eleuterios Rice Paddies. Or you can SMS me so that I can specifically give you an information about the location and where to contact the concern. Because right after here we'll go down, then we will take our lunch there at Eleuterios Koisen, his masterpiece restaurant below the hill. Yes, below the hill, beside the irrigation system. This rice paddy is supplied with irrigation system. Water is very important. Without canal, this rice paddies on the hill could not survive, because how can they survive without water? So on the upper side there is a canal. Then going down, there is a sublateral canal distributing water directly to the rice paddies. Okay, I give you already a small and informative information. So if you like this video, you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified once I will be uploaded a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.